Garmin just launched the Instinct 3 series, loaded with major upgrades. Here are 5 reasons to upgrade from the Instinct 2 to the Instinct 3 series watch. For the purpose of this video, we're skipping the Instinct E model, since it closely resembles the Instinct 2S with a minor refresh. It lacks the advanced features of the higher-end models, but covers essential health and fitness tracking. Let us know if you want a separate video on it. Now, let's begin. Starting with enhanced durability. Garmin has cranked up the toughness here. The Instinct 3 now rocks a metal-reinforced bezel, alongside a fiber-reinforced polymer case and a scratch-resistant display. But the real standout? Every model in the Instinct 3 lineup now includes a built-in flashlight. Yep, even the smaller models. You get variable brightness levels, a red light mode, and a strobe feature for better visibility in the dark. Previously, only the bulkier Instinct 2 X Solar had this feature, so it's a solid upgrade. Moving on, AMOLED Display. Yep, Garmin finally gave us AMOLED in the Instinct lineup. The Instinct 3 AMOLED models come in 2 sizes, a 1.2 inch with a sharp 390 by 390 resolution and a 1.3 inch with 416 by 416 pixels, bright, colorful, and perfect for outdoor readability. Plus, you get exclusive perks like muscle maps and workout animations right on your wrist. Only on the AMOLED models though. If you're not a fan of Garmin's usual screen-within-a-screen layout, you can disable it for a cleaner, more expansive view. But heads up, no touchscreen here. Garmin's keeping button navigation across all Instinct 3 models for that rugged, reliable feel, though it might not be everyone's favorite. Next we have battery life. If battery life is your top priority, the Instinct 3 Solar is the one to watch, literally. Thanks to upgraded solar panels, it can last indefinitely in sunny conditions. Garmin says these panels are even more efficient than the Instinct 2 Solars, though the improvements aren't mind-blowing compared to the 2 X Solar. Still, endless battery life? Pretty awesome for long adventures off the grid. Fourth is GPS upgrades. Garmin has seriously stepped up the GPS game here. While the Instinct 2 models mostly stuck with single-band GPS, the Instinct 3 introduces multi-band GPS with SatIQ technology. This smart feature automatically adjusts satellite selection and power use, giving you pinpoint accuracy without draining the battery. Whether you're scaling mountains or weaving through city streets, the Instinct 3 has you covered. And finally, we have health and wellness features. Garmin didn't hold back on wellness tools this time. Building on an already impressive health suite from the Instinct 2 series, the Instinct 3 adds new features like relaxation reminders, nap detection, sleep coach, hill score for climbers, new activity modes like motorsports, racket sports, and team sports, on-device Connect IQ Store, and more. For the AMOLED models, you get muscle maps and strength workout animations for better guided workouts. So there you have it. 5 reasons why the Garmin Instinct 3 series is looking like a solid upgrade. Which feature impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more such videos. See you next time.